Husband of slain District Constable gets 18 years after chopping her 38 times.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The husband of a district constable who was chopped to death at her home in St. Andrew nearly 2 years ago has been sentenced to 18 years in prison. Barrington White, otherwise called Barry and Drop, off Farmbrook Avenue, St. Andrew, and Santa Hill District in Spalding, had pleaded guilty to murder in March of this year. He was sentenced on Thursday, the 25th of June, in the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston. White is to serve 12 years of his sentence before being eligible for parole consideration. The body of District Constable Mellisa Edwards-Whyte, who served at Crime Stop in the Commissioner's office, was found hacked to death at her home in Patrick City, St. Andrew, on Saturday the 29th of September 2018. Following the discovery of her body, the police launched an island-wide manhunt for her husband, who subsequently turned himself in accompanied by his attorney. According to reports, the victim, her brother and her husband were at home when the brother left the house to run an errand. It was further reported that upon his return to the house, the brother found the grill to the house securely locked. After calling Edwards-Whyte and not getting an answer, the brother went around to the back of the house and looked through a window, from where he saw his sister lying in a pool of blood. The police were alerted and on arrival, forcibly entered the house, where the body of the policewoman was reportedly found with multiple chop wounds. A machete was also found at the scene. Police investigators said the couple had a domestic dispute which escalated, resulting in White murdering his wife. They had reportedly been married for 2 years. A post-mortem examination disclosed that Edwards-Whyte's body had a total of 38 chop wounds.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.